Hello guys, so today I'll just show you how to take in the user input and then process that input. I've created 5 variables to start off. Prompt text, just to tell the user to input a character, and then success text and failure text that alerts the user whether or not the input was valid, and then input, which will store the user's input, and then end line to skip a line. So in the main function, we move the prompt text to the DX register and call cout. Cout will display, and here's my cout function, will display the prompt text, and then afterwards we call cin to allow the user to type or press whatever key they wish to, and then this is the cin function, and then this is the DOS system call function for input, for keyboard input. It only takes in one character. And then I think for when you want to take multiple characters, is it 07? Move AH07. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But yeah, so we take in the user input and we store that input in the variable input. And just remember that all character inputs are stored in AL, right? And then we skip a line, we move end line into the DX register and then display. And then afterwards we jump to process input. So process input function, this is where we check whether or not the character or the input is a letter. And to do that, there's 2 ranges that input has to fall in, right? So the first, I've created like a mini diagram. So the first range is for capital letters, and these are the hex values, right? So anything between 41 hex and 5A hex is a capital letter, right? So if A is 41 hex, Z is 5A hex, and then anything between lowercase a and lowercase z, anything between 61 hex and 7A hex is a lowercase letter. And yeah, okay, so first to compare to capital letter A, if input is less than 41 hex, then it's a bad input. If not, then we continue here, we jump to bad input. And then if not, we compare the input to 5A hex, which is uppercase Z. If it's less than or equal to that, then it's a good input. And then if not, we compare input to 61 hex, which is lowercase a. If it's less than that, then we jump to bad input. If not, we continue, we compare input, the input to 7A H. If it's less than or equal to that, then it's a good input. If not, then we call bad input. Actually, I should have just jumped, but yeah, that's whatever. Or even if I just left it like that, okay, it's fine. So bad input, the function, that's just for if the input is bad, we move the failure text variable to the DX register and then display the failed text. And then if it's a good input, we move the success text variable to the DX register and then we display the success. And then yeah, that's it. It seems I've made changes somewhere. Yeah, it may have been a mistake, but yeah, let's just run the program. Okay, yeah, so I've run it a few times. It's just, I think it seems I may have made changes, I'm not sure. Input, okay, then we run the function, enter any letter of the alphabet, put 9. You failed to follow a simple instruction. Okay, and we'll put S, a letter of the alphabet. Thank you for participating, goodbye. So you can see that's just how you process inputs from the keyboard. Yeah, that's it.